Whoa, what the heck? 225? Whoa, what the heck? What's up, guys? Stixx Picks here, back with a video. We are here, not a storage unit exactly. What would we call this, Dad?
They're overseas containers, but yeah, when you move with the moving company, they put the bigger vaults in the warehouse. These came from a Honolulu, Hawaii.
Technically, they are storage units, but there's like 100 of them, literally. Somewhere like together, like what we bought right here. In total, I think he bought 16 containers. We are about to move all 16 real quick. We're not gonna record each one right now, and we're gonna move them to the warehouse.
It said purses, but this isn't purses, huh? This is shoes. Interesting.
We're back at the warehouse a couple days later.
Check this out, Michael. We found this broken 14 karat gold bracelet. That's probably 300 bucks in scrap gold.
What?
This 14 karat gold diamond ring, white gold, and this beautiful vintage sterling cameo. So we actually have at least half of our money back right there.
I gave him 25 bucks as well, so I got you, Dad. He had like a 2DS. I bought it for 25 bucks. Why not? We got a box right in front of me. We've got like 4 or 5 more to go through. Some furniture. They actually had some nice furniture, right, Dad?
This one might be a good one. Little suitcase. The furniture is all right from this stuff here. I think the suitcase comes from there, but so far the best thing has been the gold, and we've had a lot of good clothes. There's a whole shelf full of clothes for our whatnot.
There's definitely clothes in there, so let's see what's in here. When we open it up, looks like we got a bunch of clothing. Maybe not actually just clothing, got some towels. What is this though, Dan?
What do you call those? You don't know what those are?
It looks like a blanket to me.
Afghans.
An Afghan. Okay, I've heard that word. I've definitely heard that.
We usually get a good 20 to like 80 bucks an Afghan.
Depends.
On our whatnot, huh?
Which one is this one worth, you think?
Good little 20 bucks right here.
Little grandma's couch throw over.
I'd be, you know, $20 bills is where you got to focus your money on, because you're going to find a lot more $20 bills than you're ever going to find $100 or $1,000 bills. And it looks like another one. This one's tight too. New Mexican vibe to it, but it's still an Afghan nonetheless. So I'll take my 20s on both of those and run them on whatnot, because they're easy to pack. They go in what, little polymer mailers. You don't have to worry about somebody throwing them around. That looks like a military.
Forever 21. Okay, I don't think that's definitely not too good of a brand. What is this?
It looks cool, like your standard military digital backpack, huh?
Have you already seen some military life already?
Yeah, we found military stuff here, but leave no stone unturned, because people hide. I'll help you here, but just check and see, filling them out, right? You don't know. When people hide their money, you don't know. That's why it's called hidden. I wonder how often you would overlook something because you don't think to look in there. Trust Sammy, we should give this to Uncle Michael. Uncle Michael dibs this right here, I promise you. This is Uncle Michael's business. Uncle Michael, comment below if you watch this video, you made this far. Just type dibs. That looks like a military bag.
Really? Seal line. Okay. Let's see.
Maybe not.
Maybe not. Aeropostale. Little hoodie. No brand on that hoodie. Okay, nothing crazy. Again, I don't know what I'm looking in clothes, but I know some vintage brands like, or vintage concert tees like that Kiss shirt could be money. Do you want that shirt? Or should I put it back in there?
Yeah, I want that shirt very much so, Michael. I want all my good stuff.
Okay. Some purses straight off the bat. And Klein.
Yeah, it's all right. We'll run those.
What is that? 9 West. I don't think there's anything crazy, but just some more bags.
Back in there.
Put it right back in there.
It's gonna make a lot out of them.
Calvin Klein with the tag.
It's kind of tight. Look at the tag on it, but
how much do you think that is?
It will probably say right here.
Oh, okay. Let's spend $160 on it.
So maybe we'll run this one by itself. You know, just give it people a chance.
Whoa.
This one. What's that?
This one's got a bag in a bag.
Is it a good bag?
Oh no, it's not. It's just papers. I was hoping that was a purse bag inside of a bag, but.
Ooh, see what I mean?
Look at that.
See what I mean, Michael?
Some coins. These make. Ooh, what kind of coins are these? Some Japanese coins. Ooh, we got a quarter in there too. What is it, like yen? What kind? I don't know what type of Japanese coins they can be. I knew I heard them too. I picked up the bag. I was like, oh, that's coins. A hard drive. I don't want to know what's in there. Okay, some more wallets, more purses. It looks kind of nice, but I don't see any sort of brand on it. Giovanni International, isn't that good?
I don't think so.
I thought I've heard Giovanni before.
Did you manifest luck in here? 843 bucks inside of there. Come on.
All right, let's see it. It's not looking too good. There might be though still. You can have a couple hundred.
Like that time you handed me that red envelope. I was like, look.
Oh, a little camera. Look at that. Olympus.
Run that on your, tell people you'll have that on your whatnot.
No,
do you think anybody goes to your whatnot from your YouTube?
Hopefully. Have you guys checked out my whatnot? I have some cool stuff coming up of mine, but this is your stuff, Dad. So
well, you can run that camera. I said you just run it.
I can't.
I said run it for the chat.
This is yours. I'll run it for you guys if he really wants me to.
Oh my goodness.
Right off the bat, we've got some Logo Athletic jerseys. Allen. Who's on Allen? Who's Allen? Who's Allen?
Steve Allen.
Is this Steve Allen? You don't even know it's Steve Allen.
I do.
It's probably an NFL team, is it? Okay, there we go.
Maybe one.
That's a good one.
Monk.
Art Monk. Probably like one of the top 100 wide receivers of all time right there.
Players of the century. This guy was definitely a Redskins fan.
Oh my.
Cooley. The Nationals. Okay, no name on that one. I got the best box.
You got Sean Taylor in there?
Redskins again. They're definitely a Redskins fan. Fletcher on the Redskins. Yeah, they're definitely a Redskins fan. What the heck?
Look at this one. Michael, this is like your
Graham with 2 M's.
That's a nice one too. Look at the patch down there on the
Yeah,
bottom corner.
this one's quality. I can tell in this one jersey. This jersey, it feels nice. Whoa, what the heck? $225? That's expensive.
Bro, we're gonna have a whole wash. Look at this, Michael.
What? I got them all. I literally got all the jerseys. How do you feel?
And then there's this.
You got Robert Griffin in there?
Bruce. Okay, good start. We've got some of his personal art, it looks like. Ooh. There we go.
Ooh.
I don't know what I'm looking for in these, but we just found coins. There's like some random quarters mixed in. And there's like Japanese coins that I have no idea what they're worth. We got the Jeep bag. Okay, so they like to do some watercoloring.
This their art bag?
Yeah, this might be their art bag. But it could just be their travel bag in general though. Ooh, look at Dad. We're balling. You see that?
That might be $1 million right there.
Look at that, y'all. We're balling. How much money we got? 500, 100. So let me know in the comments what this is worth. Is this actually worth decent like US money? Like, can we convert it somehow? Look at guys, they drew a picture. Look, she just drew pictures of a bunch of people. This is drawn. Look, it's him. It's a pirate.
What if she was watching my video, Michael, and then drew me?
It's the pirate. Look, put your sunglasses on. You need a hat and sunglasses. Literally, it's him. What the heck? That's kind of funny. All right, so that's all that we have at the warehouse right now. I only had those few boxes to open at the moment. The rest is in the trailer right now. This guy's a troll. Check out his video though, actually, for the other part of the Japan unit.
I'm a pirate.
He actually uploaded already. Check his out. I only got a couple boxes for now. Again, our whole trailer's full. The whole thing is full, back to front, full. So we still got that for next video. Definitely stay tuned for that. Let me give you guys a sneak peek at another video. Look at this. This is what I found in one little quick flea market run. A couple little things. We got DS. We paid 70 bucks for everything right here. And all I'm gonna say is this game is how much we paid pretty much. Then we got that, that's how much we paid. I'm not gonna say it all right there. I paid 70 bucks for everything right there though. We are out of here though. We have a what not to do. Thank you guys for watching. Put a heart in the comments if you made it this far, and peace out.